The things a vlogger has to go through just to make a one video. Basically, what you're about to watch in this video is me a day in my life as a Jamaican during COVID-19 pandemic. Coronavirus is going back up. We're now in the month of August, going into October. Today's what date? Today is Wednesday, the 26th of August. Exactly 6:46 a.m. in the morning. We out here. And yeah, we walking. Continue with the day. We're just in the middle of the video right now. But this is going to be at the beginning, so just to let you know that what the video is going to be about. Another thing. And yeah, we were at just in time to catch you. Alright. Awake. Big man. Jesus peace. Yeah. I'm afraid I'm here. Jesus. Creda. You see what I come to eat pork? I'm not too trust on you know, cause when we force me to eat it. So that look for me. Wait. You know what I this? Put a pig on that look for me. That's a boy. I never see you now. What you doing around here? Hmm? You don't know me? Hmm? Hey, man, you jump up on me now. Stay in there one lane. Stay in your hole in your ear. You're deaf? Yeah. You're deaf. You're deaf. You're not here. Look what you didn't look. Yo. So piggy. I didn't call you porky. I didn't call you porky pie. So me what easy no man, easy no? Easy, that's right. Easy no virgin. So you name brother? See look a baby pig there. A picky. Baby porky. So your mommy that and your daddy that. Mr. Porky Pie. Hey. Hey, and pig bucket, hey. You never hear nobody, you didn't hear, hey. I'm sure. Hello, sir? Sir? Hello? I am sure that, man, give me a look. I don't trust that look. It looks dangerous. Lord of mercy. Yo, man, I don't trust these pigs, you know. They could have some. Hey, you hear me? Hey, I will cut your nose.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
So, yo, on the one. Ready to get some food? Ready to get some food? Yeah. So, yeah, there, man. You good? You okay? No, man. That mountain looks so pretty. Alright. Wesley was a mother. No, she read it. I almost fell. Got this tree, people. I want you to guess what kind of tree this is. This is a Guinea tree. The tree is so long, it's like more than 20 times the height of my size, oh. And the times table 20 times 6. Yeah, I kind of get the answer. And 20 times 6 is like 120, so like 120 feet, I guess. Probably. I don't know. But here's a tree. Gee. How am I going to get my Guinea tree now? How am I going to get this Guinea about the tree? I can't even see one Guinea pig. And I ain't climbing no tree. It's the early morning, eh? Life mash up. Life get away. Can you imagine? This long tree. Clay, why did you go so long? How do you expect me to get the guinea out of the tree, eh? How do you expect me to get that, eh? Like seriously, eh? How do you expect me to get that, eh? Chow. Oh, I got stick. But this stick, look at the stick. Dum. I don't see catching no way on the tree. But I can do it. So how am I going to do it? Oh, tree long. The tree is too long. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yeah, well on. We not this under one here. You seen these people? Oh, I'm going to take one up fast. Too high for you. I say, wait, you can't catch it. Yes, man, try to catch them. I'm popping my ocean. What do? I'm putting up on the tripod. I know this camera. Would have kind of come in handy, you know. Alright. Taste this and see the right part of the tree. Ah, Jesus. Yo. You want to give me some black?
What did you say?
One. Jackpot. Find my side of the tree. I am not going to see the person who is going to pick those trees one. I'm going to ask if I can cut off a branch, you know. Cut off a branch. Let's get to it. So guys, we'll get back to that later. As we'll be picking the grapes. Because I found the side of the tree, you know. So I can pick them and pick them off as much as I want. Right now, I'm fixing the camera right now. About the cam. All good, all set. Right now, yes. Things going in our happening around here that I'm tending to be missing. I'll make it. I'm young. Mine a problem. We get that a lot in childhood. I'll eat anything. I'll eat anything.
No wonder you eat pork, eh?
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
How much you eat pork? What's up with your church,
No? Testament church, we go.
eh?
Testament church, we go.
Where can I eat pork?
I just.
You just don't like it.
How's that? Anything, yeah? They eat anything, I mean, don't eat anything. So, me and them are different something.
How much I eat pork?
But these people can sit me.
How much you eat pork? You know you use beef pork.
What for me style crunch has changed over the years, you know?
Okay. Man, your daddy have fun. Your daddy have pork.
Huh?
Get done.
Auntie is mountain pick off.
Just I say if you can't pick off of that, I'll tree out this and then chop off.
Yeah, so.
I say that try.
It's a branch me take off.
Look, this so, down this so. You see, give a down this so.
Hey.
Go say if you tip can't catch it.
Yes.
We then chop off down this so.
Hey.
Yeah.
On the front?
I think me not pick off.
I'll give it that.
Yeah. Look at down where you see him chop. Go down, man. Go down.
Long jump. Can hire me for the Olympics. Make Jamaica proud. So it. Tree chop down. Tree chop down. Slow. Let me take off now. Let me see something. Hold up. Wait a minute. You ain't seen nothing right now. Man, they're too far now, man. Jesus Christ, I need to let them look sweet now. How long can I use one cutlass and chop it down?
Oh, you're reaching.
You
can't reach if you chop it. Kill him there, then chop off through this way. Sit there.
think of this.
Sit there, that's all.
Two of them?
Yeah. Chop with the cutlass. Try it now. But you can't get none with this stick.
Come here, see someone for yourself. I have time and there, so. You get.
I might not again.
Life when you come and can't get the give, yeah? The thief then come and go and quick when you come and take your time, you can't. So you go. You know, so me pick off from branch right just and he alright, auntie, it's good. Too. Let me put back. I'm leaving you. You'd like to know that 6 pieces of 12 inches will be falling on the ground. Boop, boop. Easy, boy, easy. If you drop, the whole of YouTube is going to give you a world record. But once, alright, you're gov now, man, you're gov. So we're heading back home and continue with our lives. Look at the time. So guys, we're back home now from the as you can, yeah, that's something. And now the camera is almost dead. And the memory, this piece of the memory card is almost out. So what I'm gonna have to do is charge the camera up and transfer the videos of this memory card onto the laptop, so it gets more space, and delete the ones of it. So I'm going to like copy and things like that. That's what we're gonna have to do. So I'll charge the camera up and clean some space off the memory card, eat some breakfast, and I'll get back to you and continue with the day. Yeah. So we're going to do that right now. So after I'm going to be washing too, you know. Wash. Well, looks like we're done here. Let's get along the day. Let's go. So what's up guys, you start work. And rain actually I catch it as a Jew on the way right now. So you have to hurry up and walk. So right now, yeah, sometimes this happens to me and sometimes a day, but it's just the life we live. We get bad luck, we get good luck sometimes, but just have to live with it. And you ain't catch me, you know, as a delicate day over there. So I have to move. Right now, I have to hurry up. I will catch you right back on the under shelter. Rain no easy, no? Rain no easy. Can you imagine? I am running from way down there coming up, and as I reach my destination, the rain stop fall and sun start shine. Hey, look at look like it wanted to boost me up. The things a vlogger has to go through just to make a one video. Life's stressing. Anyway, can't stop there. We have to continue with the day. Camera wet up. So I think it was waterproof. So yeah guys, the day actually done. This is the day Just a day in my life, you know. Day actually done already. So not much to do. So right now after 4, what is the time exactly? The time is 4:08 p.m. in the evening. So actually doing everything do what I have to do right now. I'm going to my aunt's house. So nothing too much. It's just a special day. The only difference is that I carry a camera around. It's basically it. Nothing too extra. Nothing else. You know? So yeah. After this, we just come to an end. Probably I'll see video in right now.